Hi, I'm David Luther, the Chief Business Officer for Corserv. Welcome to our segment of the Innovation Showcase for the ABA Conference for Community Bankers. I'm here to tell you how you can have a successful credit card issuing program that competes with the largest banks by leveraging Corserv's innovative program. You will see that you don't even have to add staff or infrastructure. I promise not to kill you with PowerPoint, but I think a few slides will help you understand our program. So let's go. Do you know that 1% of US banks own 99% of the credit card loans? That just seemed wrong to us. That's why Corserv created a program that enables community banks to compete for credit card issuing and treasury management services in your markets. Why do over 4,700 community banks own no credit card loans? We know that community banks own nearly half of all term loans to small businesses. Yet 4 out of 5 have no credit card loans. It's because historically community banks don't have the scale, expertise, and technology to own their own credit card business. That's where Corserv can help. Our turnkey program provides the scale, staff, and technology for you to own your credit card business. We even provide 24/7 customer support, fraud control, and collections. And we have a great product mix for you. Corserv's program provides credit cards branded for your bank for your consumer, small business, and commercial customers. The products have features, rates, and rewards that compete with the national issuers. The fastest growing segment and a real sweet spot for community banks are the business cards. They represent about 70% of the purchase volume in the program and about 80% of the profits. A recent survey from Visa confirms that businesses want to get a competitive credit card with superior local service from their community banker. Corserv enables community banks to compete for corporate, business, and consumer credit card issuing in your markets. What's our secret sauce? There's a sponsor bank who provides access to the Visa and MasterCard networks, issues the cards, takes care of settlement, and leads compliance. But unlike an agent bank program where the sponsor bank owns the P&L, in our program, the community bank buys their purchase volume each day at par from the sponsor bank. And the community bank owns 100% of the interchange, interest, and fees. You make the credit decisions for your customers and have transparent access to the credit card program data. You contract with Corserv for all the hosted technology and servicing, and Corserv contracts with Fiserv as the system of record. That's the magic, a shared turnkey branded program that community banks own. It's an all-digital program where you get branded interfaces for your cardholders, a self-service interface for your businesses to manage their cards, and even an interface for your staff to have administrative access and reporting. New this year is a bank-branded mobile app for cardholders to access their balances, transactions, statements, payments, and rewards. Here are some examples of clients who have successful programs with Corserv. You can see that they get not only branded cards, but also splash screens and user interfaces branded for their bank. The program is performing well for our banks. There's a high rate of return at over 5% net operating margin, and there's no upfront or implementation fee. Credit losses are low at 1.8% because our banks are doing relationship lending, and the business cards are the sweet spot with over 8.8% net operating margin. Some of you know Bill Kroll, who's a former ABA executive and longtime credit card expert. He has partnered with Corserv to represent our program as the best credit card issuing program for community banks. Please take some time to contact me or Bill or stop by our virtual booth to talk about how we can work together. Thank you.